This is how to find a median, a right bisector, and an altitude. They're all similar but different, and so it's important just to be clear on what is what. For the first one, a median, what you need to do is find the midpoint M of line BC. So that looks like that. So you'd find that by taking the average B and the average C to get the coordinates of M. And then you need to find the slope of AM. So we'll draw on that line. You find that slope, and then you use the equation y equals mx plus b, where the slope you've just calculated, and you can use either point M or point B, and that gives the equation of a median through A. Secondly, if you want to find the right bisector of a side, in this case the side BC, is what you need to do. Bisector implies cutting the line in half, so you need to find the midpoint of line BC. So once again, you take the average x and average y of B and C, and there's your point M, halfway along the line BC. Then you need to find the slope of BC so that you can then find the perpendicular slope to BC, because this is a right bisector, so it's a line at 90 degrees to BC. That's what perpendicular means. So it doesn't go through A, probably, unless it's an isosceles triangle. Right? So you've found the midpoint, you found the slope of BC so that you can find the perpendicular slope, and then once again, y equals mx plus b. You need a point, M, and you need a slope, which is that perpendicular slope you just found. And thirdly, you're going to find an altitude through A. For this one, what we're looking at here is a line that goes through A and is perpendicular to BC. So you need to find the slope of BC, rise over run. Then you can find the perpendicular slope to BC, negative reciprocal, and using point A and that slope, that perpendicular slope you just found, once again, y equals mx plus b, point and slope.